Today, if I don't fulfill my promise, I don't think I ever will or shall. So let me begin with the story as to why we worship Ma Lakshmi on this day. On this night, most of the Ma Lakshmi pujans, except for Sharad Purnima Ratri as well as Diwali Ratri, has to be the day, like Vara Lakshmi, and then there is on Fridays, a lot of people fast on Friday for Lakshmi, and it is all during the day. It is not a nighttime festival or worship. Now, the reason why on Diwali night we worship Ma Lakshmi is, as a child, I used to often wonder, why do we worship Ma Lakshmi? Lord Ganesh, I did get the answer from within, is because we have to, it is Prathamesh, Pratham Vinayakam, means we have to begin any and everything with the worship of Lord Ganesh. But why Ma Lakshmi? And if so, why not on other nights? And at that time, I didn't know Sharad Purnima is one night when everyone can pray to Ma Lakshmi. Now, the interesting thing is that though everyone has started worshipping Ma Lakshmi, has started following anything and everything that one particular caste is doing on this night, it is not meant for everyone. Ma Lakshmi Pujan is not meant for everyone on the night of Diwali. We are supposed to do Deep Pujan, we are supposed to do uh, Ganesh Saraswati Pujan, and everyone can do Pujan of their Sthapit Dev. And the reason why we do Deep Dan or Deep Pujan is because these are very dark nights. Primarily, we can all stay awake the whole night. A lot of people do start their pujan in Singlagan, which is somewhere at 2 a.m. Sometimes it goes on. The Vidhi Vidan, there are 3 or 4 nights in a year where you are supposed to stay awake. Shivratri is one of them. It is said to keep your spine upright. It is the most important night to stay awake during Shivratri. Another night that you're supposed to stay awake is Krishna Janmashtami. And of course, Diwali night. A part of the logic I find about Diwali night is because all the Vaishya community or the trader community would get all their jewels and they would fill their homes with gold, silver, and precious things. So they should keep a vigil all through the night so that everyone is awake. Also, once in a while, if you break the routine of early to bed and early to rise, it's healthy. As is breaking all your habits. So, once in a while, you must break even the best of your habits. This is the only logic I know about why we should stay up all night on Diwali night, particularly. But Lakshmi Pujan, here I begin. On Diwali day, it has to do with two different Vishnu's Dashavatar. One everyone knows, Sri Ram came back on this day to Ayodhya from or Lanka and Vanvas. But the other one is Vaman Avatar. Vaman or the Brahman, and a short one. He was this short, he was not very tall. So Vaman Avatar took place on the day of Diwali. Now Mahabali, again, as I always say, history is written by the victors. Mahabali was a very good king and he was a just ruler, but he was Asur. He had conquered a host of Devi Devata, gods, goddesses. One of them being Ma Lakshmi. And in the Vaman avatar, there was no way to defeat Mahabali. Hence, Vishnuji took an avatar of a short Brahman, Vaman. Mahabali was a Danveer Mahabali as well. He was extremely benevolent, as well as anyone could come and ask for any boon from him. If he can, he would definitely grant it, even if it would cost him his life. And this is the story, how it goes about. So, since he was almost invincible, Lord Vishnu is known to be very tricky, and he's also a trickster. So he went to the court of Mahabali dressed as Vaman, a short Brahmin. He said that, "O great king, I ask you for just one boon. All I want is 3 steps of mine." Mahabali in general, he was very learned as well. He understood that this is Swayam Sri Narayan who's come to fool him. Yet he said, okay. So in the first foot itself, Sri Narayan covered the entire earth. With the second foot, he covered the entire universe. And then he asked, "O Rajan, where may I plant my third foot?" And Mahabali, the great Mahabali, said, "On top of my head." And hence he was crushed. Now you guys are wondering, why is this story relevant for Lakshmi Pujan? That night, Lakshmi Ji was set free from the prison that Mahabali had imprisoned her inside the cell. So Lakshmi Ji doesn't विचरो. लक्ष्मी जी रात को विचरती नहीं है. So that night she was looking for a house full of fruits and sweets and absolutely clean and very brightly lit with all kinds of it should be well lit, it should be clean with all kinds of lovely things to eat. People are pleasant, they are well dressed. Everything is absolutely spick and span. And this is actually the story why we are supposed to clean our homes. Now, why Diwali time makes sense for most of us to clean our homes? Next reel. सर्वेश्वरी माँ को प्रणाम. गुरुवर आपको प्रणाम, आपकी प्रेरणा से प्रेरित. नमन, अभिवादन.